What's the best way to let your team know what you're up to? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be making a workflow starting with a new event trigger in Google Calendar, and then we'll be using the details from that event to set our status on Slack. All right, it's time to make a workflow. So we're going to start here, like always, with the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be calendar to Slack status. And we're going to click inside the trigger box and select our trigger, which is going to be Google Calendar. And our event is going to be event start. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Google account. And we're going to select the calendar that we want to look for our event in, which will be our example calendar. And then we're going to test our trigger. So here we have an event that we found that's about to start. So we can use this for our workflow. So this all looks good. I'm going to click continue. And then for our action, we're going to pick Slack. And the event is going to be set status. We're going to continue with our Slack account. So now the status text is where we can use our event from Google Calendar to let our team know that's where we are. So I can click inside of here and I can add as many of the details as I want. So I can start with the name, then I'll put a colon, space, the description, semicolon, the location, semicolon, the start date, and then we can set the expiration time to be our end date. And we'll go ahead and leave the status emoji blank. So we'll click continue. And we'll test our action. And it looks like we have a success. I'm going to come over and look at Slack. And if I scroll over my little icon down here, you can see all those details from our Google Calendar have been set as my status. So I can jump back over to the workload editor, click continue on that step, check and make sure both of my nodes have a green dot in the corner, and then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever a new event is about to start in my example calendar, it will set those details as my status in Slack. That's how you can simply integrate what you're doing on Google Calendar with your status in Slack. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.